Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. If you're a web designer or a creative looking for the best tools to build websites, then today's video is for you. We're comparing two popular platforms, Wix Studio and Framer. Whether you're a complete beginner or a pro designer, this breakdown will help you choose the one that suits your needs. So let's dive in. First up, we have Wix Studio. Known for its drag and drop interface, Wix Studio makes website design easy, even if you don't have any coding skills. It's ideal for small businesses, freelancers, and anyone looking to create professional websites quickly. With Wix Studio, you can access hundreds of templates, which are fully customizable. It offers built-in SEO features, e-commerce tools, and advanced integrations, so you can add everything from booking system to online stores. On the other hand, Framer is more tailored towards designers and developers who want more control. Framer focuses on interactive design, giving you the power to create animations and transitions that feel super smooth. If you're comfortable with code or want to dig deeper into the design process, Framer is for you. It's known for its ability to build custom UI components and design systems, making it a powerful tool for designers building unique, modern experiences. Plus, Framer's collaboration features allow teams to work seamlessly on the same project. Alright, let's now make a comparison of the features. So let's talk about the ease of use. Wix Studio wins on ease of use thanks to its drag and drop editor, which is perfect for non-coders. Framer, on the other hand, has a leaning curve, but offers more flexibility if you want to implement custom integrations and animations. Now, templates and design. Wix offers a huge library of ready-made templates, while Framer gives you a blank canvas. If you're all about speed, Wix is the way to go. If you're about custom design and don't mind putting in more time, Framer excels. Now, in terms of pricing, Wix has different pricing plans starting from basic to advanced business solutions, while Framer offers a free version but charges for collaboration and advanced features. Depending on your budget, this could be a deciding factor. Alright, so let's quickly summarize. So who should use Wix? So if you're a freelancer, a small business owner, or someone who wants a simple, fast solution for building a website without coding, Wix Studio is the best option. And let's talk about Framer. So Framer is good if you're a designer or developer who loves tweaking every part of the user experience and want to create something unique and visually interactive, and Framer is the right choice. It's also great for collaborative projects, making it ideal for design agencies or creative teams. And that's basically it, guys. Let me know in the comments which platform you prefer, and if you've used either of them, share your experience below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you don't miss out on more web design tips and reviews. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one.